Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you guys are. It's a new day here. I'm at the office and I was in looking at the tracking information for the exhaust. It was supposed to come in by tomorrow, but thankfully, I'm not complaining, it's coming in by today, it looks like. It was 30 minutes from me in the morning checking in at FedEx. So if it does come in today, I'm going to be getting a sound clip of the stock exhaust as well as the, after they install the sound clip of the exhaust. I'm really hoping that sounds exactly like the Borla. If not, you can't really go wrong with the price point of how much this exhaust was. So yeah, I'll give you guys an update on that. And my lips are freaking dry. If anyone has chapstick, good recommendations, comment down below. It's here. I'm so hyped. All right, so it's here. That turnaround was super quick. 3 days shipping, not bad at all. Becker Performance, German engineering and design. I'm so excited, can't even speak. But yeah, I'm gonna open it up.
So here's Christian unboxing his new exhaust for his Porsche.
Dude, I already know what it looks like, but I'm so hyped to see it. To get all over the floor. Quality packaging, as you can see. Oh no. Hopefully nothing bad. Let's see. Flanges, receipt. I'm gonna time lapse. This is so long. Let me show the welds aren't bad. I mean, what it is, will do the job. You guys basically know what it looks like. I'm gonna throw it on the car. Show you how it goes. All right, pause it. Here's a better layout of how it looks. There's the pipe for that one. The welds aren't horrible. Look how fat these tips are. That is freaking huge. This looks so different compared to the other one. Okay, so before we install the exhaust, I'm gonna do a sound clip of its stock. I'll do a couple revs on it without the sport mode on, and then once after. It's not that much of a difference though.
Preparing the Krabby Patty. No.
So we just got these two undone. We have two more by the cat, and it's up there. So once we disconnect that area, the whole exhaust is just gonna bolt up right there. So Alex, my mechanic, is getting into that right now. And then once we do that, I'll show you guys us bolting this in and kind of leveling it all out. Trying to give you guys an update as I go, but I need to use my hands. The old one's out. The fitment so far for the first left side has been okay. I'll show you guys how we level everything out. I'm gonna need my hands. Okay, so we got left side and right side in. The only issue is, it's not an issue, but the kit never came with new gaskets, so I just reused the OEM gasket inside there. But other than that, fitment was perfect. The hinges where it's supposed to sit right there has lined up perfectly as well, so pretty happy with it so far. Gonna put the tips in. Literally, I just tried to place it on the diffuser. It's gonna fit so good. So fitment wise, we got left and right on. The tips are on. We're just adjusting how we want to sit. So it's leaning to one side right now. Everything lines up really well. The install was super easy. Let's see how she sounds after. Oh my. Here's a better view from the outside. Alright, so all the last clamps are all buttoned up. I'm just buttoning them up right now. Oh my god, it looks so good. I can't wait to start it up. Ooh, I'm hyped. Fitment, everything was great. As you can see. Alright, time to start it. Alright, got it. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna try to give you guys my honest opinion on this. Not gonna lie, it's too quiet. But maybe it'll like warm up a little bit, so let's try. I mean, it definitely sounds really clean. Like, it doesn't sound bad. It's just a lot quieter than I thought it was gonna be. But I think I just came from a background of like straight type cars and stuff. But my first initial thoughts, no, it does not sound like the Borla in the sound clip, at least that I watched. Maybe it was just the phone quality. Let me see if it sounds better with it. Damn, dude, this is not what I'm gonna have to get headers for sure. Like, I want to keep it clean sounding, so this is honestly great right now. It won't bother anyone. I won't get in any trouble. I can definitely hear the car now, because before I really couldn't. Like, I can hear the car now, but it has a little bit of a tone to it, but it just sounds almost like stock. Like, I feel like this is how it should have came from factory, to be honest. Not like... I guess headers are gonna come a lot sooner than I thought. I mean, it's a good exhaust. It's a good exhaust. Oh, it wants the verbal so bad. And I'm not like... On this car, I actually didn't want verbals, but if it's gonna sound this quiet, might as well. I mean, the tips look freaking fire from the back. Like, they look so good. Way better than that little oval. Mine was slightly shifted too. I can smell something burning. Okay, there's a car in front of me. It's smoking like crazy. Oh god. That's blue smoke. It's a head gasket. Oh my, it's so quiet. No. Huh. I'm like thinking right now, like, I'll just take it to a muffler shop and just gut the mufflers out. I don't want it trashy loud. I want it like clean. Like, honestly, this isn't bad. It's like my dine-in exhaust on my E90 when I first got it. I'm enjoying it. It looks clean. It sounds clean. It gives me something to work with. Right when I get the headers installed, I feel like it should be at a perfect tone. All right, so I recorded my first reaction right when it came off the lift, and it was such a good reaction because I was being 100% genuine, but I accidentally took a freaking photo because I'm an idiot and instead of a video. So I'm gonna give you guys a video right now of how it sounds. Video this time. Okay. Okay, that sound clip actually made me kind of happy. It's actually like, maybe it's warming up. Maybe I didn't let it warm up. I don't know. It's starting to crackle now and all that stuff. At least from the outside, it didn't sound too bad. So yeah, yeah, guys, maybe it'll get better. I'll give you guys an update soon. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but I think it's definitely like warming up now. So like as it warms up, it just sounds a lot better. It burbles a lot. To the shop today. He's gonna be selling his Rohanas. So we're gonna get him off the car, get on the lift, get the stock wheels back on, and take off the front lip today. So we got all the wheels off except one, and it's stripped. So we're sending it. Everything else is off. The aftermath. Alright, so Matt's going home. We got the car back on stocks, sold the Rohanas. Just got some pizza and now he's going home. I just want to give you guys a walk around of his car later. I'll probably do a build breakdown of all my friends' cars down the road, and we'll just kind of go over all the mods and everything like that. But this STI is pretty built. He tracks it, or he's starting to. Look how clean it is. So pretty. Equal length headers, so it sounds a little different, and I like it. It's a lot cleaner, more track style. There he goes. And there were two. 3, 2, 1. It's over. It's over. All right, so I couldn't help it. I have the mod bug, and Q decided to buy some wheels today, and I ended up making another purchase. So I'll show you guys what comes in the mail. So much louder. Stock setup is back on. Looking good. So we're out here trying to get the coronavirus, you know. It's all good. This is actually really good. Winter melon.
He's vlogging.
What is yours called?
Hokkaido.
Hokkaido. Hokkaido.
Hokkaido-san. No!
Keep going. Oh. How does he move like that? He looks like a noodle, dude.